monitoring by expiration date. So, punta tayo, edit, preferences, item and inventory, advanced inventory system, and then serial number and expiration. Activate the serial number, but this time, ang pipiliin natin is lot number, no? Activate the expiration date, and then click OK. Click OK. Then, we have 3 items, 1, 2, 3. And then, dumating na yung item, halimbawa, so we have item 1, 500, lot number L1, expiration date 03/30/2025. Item 2, lot 2, expiration date 03/30/2025. Item 3, 500, dapat to L1 to. Okay. Dapat yun yun. 2025. Okay. So, ito ay lot 1 at ang expiration date. Tapos na. So, gawa tayo na receipt tayo ng pangalawa. Ang gawin natin, i-duplicate na lang natin. Duplicate. Gagawin na lang natin 4, 5, 6, 7. Gagawin na lang natin quantity 800. Lot number 2. Tapos 03, 06. 06/30/2025. 06, 25. Okay, 800. 0, lot number 2, 06. Ito ang mga expiry date. Save and close. Double check natin, no? Inventory by expiration date. So, item 1, may dalawang lot 1, lot 2. Item 2, lot 1, lot 2. So, tama naman ang quantity. Yan. So, expiration date. Okay, mukhang tama naman. So, magbenta na tayo based on the first in, first out. So, item code. Magbenta tayo ng quantity is 25. Lot number is L1. Item 2, 25. Lot number is L1. Item 3, 25. Lot number is L1. Okay. So, ito mga expiration date. Save. Double check natin. Status. Ayan, nabawasan ng tika 25 based on sa expiration, sa lot number and expiration date. So, ganun po ang monitoring ng expiration date. Thank you very much. Bye.